Who's ready for the next performance? In case you guys didn't know, UMR overall has a very low male to female student ratio. So woman power. Just kidding. We are. Anyways, in terms of Hmong students, prior to this school year, we've only had 4 Hmong male students total who have attended UMR, which is actually insane. But this year is the first year in which we've welcomed the most Hmong male students all together. Yay!
Alright, and so then with our next performance, we're going to have a co-ed performance, so definitely with Hmong men and Hmong women. Together, our first co-ed dance group performing would be to the song Goya Gudun Tia by Mali, Yap, and Bulak. Woo!
Go home, cậu cười cho mặt ly sinh ra, cũng qua luôn cả, cậu nhỏ đầu tiêu đi. Vì cô sắp ốm gần người dễ phải cô quan tâm. Cô nhỏ chỉ để tôi lùa cho nhà trò nôn hai. Nhà lý sai, con chết quan tâm. Vì con chưa có non để tao cao cho. Dọc vòng đá chi